Hi everyone, welcome to WPL Club. In this video, we will show you how you can change the author of your post in WordPress. So for that, you need to go to your All Posts section, and here I am with a list of all my posts. For example, I want to change the author of this particular post, so I click on Edit, and then I'll reach here. First of all, you need to make sure that in the screen options, the author box has been checked. Now after that, go to the bottom of your post. You will see an option called author, and in the scroll down section you can choose any author that you want and change the author from what it is to what you want it to be. Once you have done that, click on update and you're good to go. This is particularly useful when you want to change only one or only two posts. But what if you want to change a lot of posts in WordPress at once? I mean, what if you want to change the author of a lot of posts in WordPress at once? For that, tick on the post of which you want the author to be changed. Click on Bulk Actions, Edit, Apply, and you will reach to this particular place. And here you can change the author to anything you want to. For me, it's just one option because I have only one author assigned to my website, but for you, if you have multiple authors, you can see multiple options right here. So you can change the author from what it is to something you want it to be. Click on Update and then you're good to go. So this is how you can change the author of your post, even if it's a single one or if you want to change multiple authors at once. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about WordPress, if you want more beginner tutorials on WordPress, or if you want anything on WordPress, please stay tuned to our channel. Hit the subscribe button right below. Do like our videos, and if you have any questions or any video suggestions, please comment in the comment section right below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.